Welcome, drone video fans. My name is Bill, and this short 3-minute video we're going to take a look at the sunrise over Lake Erie on a very calm day when the lake was sort of like glass due to a south wind. We're going to turn towards the sun to the east here, and you can see the sun reflecting off of the water. As I said, it's very calm. I probably should have brought my ND filters with me, which would have given me a little better chance to record this, but hindsight is 100%. Anyways, we're just kind of flying over the water here. It's always something that you should be careful about when you fly a UAV that has downward facing sensors over water, because you never know when you're going to get reflections that might cause them to malfunction. But we didn't have any problems this day. We went up high enough so you could see this pathway that leads down to the lake. There's about 100 steps. It's not bad going down. Going up is a whole nother thing. You can see the supports. Those are concrete supports with I think they're like 4x8s that to support the main structure. Now we're back over the lake here, and we're facing to the west, and I'm going to pitch the gimbal down. We're going to see how clear and clean the water is. Just be able to see a lot of stuff in there. You'll occasionally see some red things like that, and you'll see some more later on, and you see some ripples because we're only 6 or 8 feet, a couple meters over the water. But the red colored objects are actually pieces of brick from houses and buildings and things like that, which have fallen into the lake over the years. And as we sort of back up here, we can see more pieces. And a lot of people walking along the shore and pick up things which have been polished by nature and out of the lake. You'll see a couple of more pieces of red brick and regular brick. Anyways, this was just a quick shoot here. We thought we'd put something new and fresh up. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you're so inclined to, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it will be pretty soon. Thanks for stopping by and watching.